Hey Kara, this is Paul Heck. Just wanted to show you a quick video on what I was talking about yesterday and some of the opportunities that I see for you. Looking at, I just typed in financial advisors Arkansas, for instance. There's several keywords that I looked up, and you can see, there's Lighthouse Financial, Wells Fargo pulls up, Edward Jones pulls up for this Megan person. In the map pack, you definitely want to rank in this Google Business Profile map section. That strengthening that Google Business Profile, like I talked about yesterday, is what's going to move you up into this map section. And then you've got the organic section down here where you can see, there's a lot of like money.com, money.usanews.com, investor.com. These are really big companies that spend a lot of money to try to target finding like a broad range of financial advisors to recommend. But then you also see down here that Fiduciary Wealth Management is the first actual company listed in this organic section. So a lot of people will overlook these and just go down and look for the actual business that's actually listed. And then you can see, there's some others, but there's a lot of opportunity to outrank all of these companies that are ahead of them, and even those and that business itself. So looking at your business website, got it pulled up here, got your URL pulled up here. There's just not very much content, as we were talking about yesterday, that actually includes any type of local search keywords. And that's reflected in what I see over in this program called Ahrefs that allows me to put your URL in here and just look at the URL itself. You're being picked up by Google for 0 organic keywords. You've got no referring domains and no backlinks coming to your site for this specific URL. And so basically, in the online world, your page is kind of non-existent. We can do things to strengthen this from the backlink side of things, but we've got to get, if there's opportunity for you to change some of the content on that page to include some of the search terms, that's going to be helpful if we have to try to rank that particular page itself. Now, looking at, a couple of companies, I looked at for life insurance. I typed in life insurance Arkansas, and to just see what came up, Farm Bureau was the number one search, the one that popped up organically in the search. And you can see they have, a little bit of content on here that is dealing with life insurance, term life insurance, whole life insurance. And they've got some backlinks and stuff that's actually, showing up on the search analysis in the Ahrefs. So this is their profile. Their website's, pretty, decently strong. They've got 25 referring domains, which is good. And you can see on this chart that it's been climbing over time. And they're being found for 144 organic keywords. Now, if I drill into this, it starts to show you some of the opportunity that you could have. So Arkansas Life Insurance, they're ranking number 2 for when somebody searches for that. Life Insurance Companies Arkansas, they're ranking number 6. And, Burial Insurance Arkansas, they have that. They've got 15 in the position for that. So really they're being found for these two things right here. There's 80 searches a month on that term. There's 50 searches a month on this term. You can see this one's a little bit harder to rank with a 13 KD. That's going to take a year's worth of SEO to really overtake that. The one that has 6 down here, that's going to be about anywhere from 3 to 6 months to really, overtake that position for that. And there's a couple of ahead of them that we would need to research to see what we need to, gain those top 3 positions for that search term. But as you can see, 80 searches a month, 50 searches a month, the volume's pretty decent right there for that. And that's just for 2 terms around life insurance. And then looking at just the strength of their backlink profile. So these are all the websites that refer to their website in some form or fashion. And you can see there's a couple in here with some strength on this do follow. Not really a lot. Very, very easy to overtake these guys. And then, they're coming from just a variety of websites. And we want to get websites that are talking about insurance, financial services, those types of things that are related to your industry. Those are going to give you the best amount of power coming to your site. Now, looking at just some of the opportunities, that I see. I did just a search for various keywords. This is definitely not exhaustive, but wealth management, Little Rock, Arkansas, 70 searches a month. Wealth management, Little Rock, 50 searches a month. KDs are a little bit higher on this, but that's okay. A training financial advisor, term life insurance in Arkansas, 10 searches a month. This is a nationwide term. That's why you see it at 48K. Definitely want to have that on your website to pick that up. But if the 57 KD, that's going to be really hard to rank in the really top positions. Although Google knows where people are searching from, so it's going to help your local search as well. Life insurance, Little Rock AR, 40 searches a month. Life insurance in Arkansas, 10. Life insurance companies, Arkansas, 80. So you can see, there's just a variety of volume. I even did some on training. As you can see, those are national keywords. So 300, 100, financial advisor training, 150 searches a month. So you add all of this up and you've got, 5, 6, 7, 800,000, searches a month going on, and we're trying to capture a small piece of that. We're not trying to capture all of that. If we could get 10% of it, that'd be incredible. But it may be 2, 3, 4%. And what does that search volume mean for you as a business owner when you can turn those searches into actual customers? Now, if you look at another aspect of what we do is get your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. This is a company I'm working with. This is going to help your Google Map Pack listing move up in those search rankings as well. And I'm working with this family storage company. We've got more than all of the competitors up here. We look down and we see which one of these citations that we need to go get. We add these organically over time. And so we look at what the competition has and which one we're missing, and we go and add those citations. So that's going to help you move up in that map section. And then this program lets me see how well are we doing when we're strengthening that Google business profile. So this company was basically all orange and red when we started, and that's going to be where they rank on the Google listing. And so the more we work with these guys, the more green that we are making their presence online. And then over time, we worked on this for about 6 months, and we can just continually get greener the farther away from their actual business location that they are. So just wanted to show you one of the tools that we use for that. But really the thing that this website is needing is the correct content, and then building a backlink structure, backlink profile, and then getting as many citations as possible on there. And that's just kind of in a nutshell of what I do on the SEO side of things. I do focus on the website and the Google business profile, but I can run ad campaigns on Google, Facebook, all of those things, and we can target any myriad of keywords that you want to go after. So if you have any questions about this or like what you see, I'd love to talk with you further about how we can work together and help you just bring some more clients on and bring you some more success. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your time.